Hello, my name is Ravi Prasad. I am sales rep in India. So today we will discuss the following topic: safety water shower. Is there an alternative? You are an architect, industrial equipment manufacturer, or industrial process manufacturer, and you are currently participating in a call for a bid for a renovation, construction or transformation project for existing building at an industrial site with an activity involving chemical product. To answer this call for bid, you must also cover the safety aspect for employee. In this context, you have to equip your installation with safety shower. You are wondering whether there is an alternative to this safety shower. Why this subject? You probably face the difficulty of installing this shower. This may be due to the fact that part of the project will take place outdoor where there is no water supply. A water inlet will have to be built in order to be able to connect the safety shower. It is very difficult to build this pipe and they are expensive. In addition, this pipe must meet a certain number of requirements in order to meet regulation. The diameter of the pipe must be larger enough to ensure a sufficient flow that meet the recommended regulation. They must also be heated or at least protected from the cold to avoid the risk of freezing in winter, hence the difficulty. There may be the subject also: you need to renovate or convert an existing building. The most frequent example is the transformation of the building formerly used as an office that is going to be converted into laboratories. The risk that the staff will face has changed. So we have to think about the new risk, the chemical risk. We therefore need to install safety shower for this reason, as the building was not designed for this. Very often there are no water pipe, or if there are, they are not suitable. Before installing water shower, it is necessary to install pipe in the building, which is not always obvious. We will now see what regulation for this shower states. Indian Standard IS 10592 1982, specification for industrial emergency shower, eye and face fountain and combination unit are there for emergency eye wash and shower equipment. A system has also been derived from ANSI Z358.1 1981, means American National Standard Institute, and the Factory Act 1948. Let us return to the regulatory aspect concerning safety water shower. The facility should be located at a convenient place. As far as possible, they should be within a distance of 15 meters from the place of work. Also, this facility should be located such a way that they do not pose a problem by reaction with water sensitive chemicals, and shall be so arranged that there is no obstruction in going from the work spot to the location. Because of the deluge action required, water pressure head for the emergency shower shall not be less than 196 kPa or 2 kgf per centimeter square. And the total water delivered from the shower to the spray nozzle shall be not less than 250 to 300 liters per minute. Eye wash equipment should be capable of delivering to the eyes not less than 1.5 liter per minute water for a period of 15 minutes. However, the alternative and an option is particularly for body shower called Difotary. This solution is very interesting as it's offered a better efficacy than water and has a very practical conditioning, as the shower are portable and autonomous without the need of to the water circuit. This activities solution will stop the aggressivity of the chemical, and in addition it is a polyvalent. That is, it will act on all 6 types of chemical that can cause chemical burn. This effectiveness allow it with a quantity of 5 liters to decontaminate a body entirely. In short, why can this solution help you? First, because this solution respect the regulatory aspect. Second, since better security can be provided for employer. Third, because you save money, no water inlet or outlet pipe to build. Fourth, you save time as no work is required. So if you want more information about Diphoterin solution, you can visit our website at www.prevot.com. For your next project, please think of us. Thank you and see you soon.